In the heart of West Africa, a quiet revolution is underway. It's a transformation that's reshaping the nation's identity and future prospects. Not of politics, but of technology. This silent shift is creating ripples of change across the country. Burkina Faso, long known for its culture and agriculture, a land steeped in tradition and rich heritage, is now making its mark in global tech. It's stepping onto the world stage, ready to compete and contribute. Thanks to a bold partnership with China, a collaboration built on mutual respect and shared goals, mobile phones are now being assembled right here, bringing new skills and opportunities to the local workforce, not just imported. This marks a significant shift from being solely a consumer to becoming a producer. This collaboration is more than economic. It's a bridge connecting cultures and fostering innovation. It's about dignity and self-determination. It's about taking control of their future and shaping their own destiny. In Ouagadougou, the capital, excitement buzzes about new jobs, new possibilities, and a brighter tomorrow. And the phrase, "Made in Burkina Faso." These words carry weight, symbolizing progress and national pride. For the first time, we're not just consumers passively receiving goods from other nations. We're creators, actively participating in the global economy and driving innovation from within. Building a new national identity, an identity rooted in innovation, resilience, and a commitment to progress. The partnership brings investment and expertise, providing the resources needed to fuel this technological leap. But the drive and spirit are Burkinabé. The determination and passion of the people are the true engines of change. Young engineers on the factory floor, the future leaders of Burkina Faso's tech industry, symbolize a new era, a time of unprecedented opportunity and growth for the nation. Challenging old narratives about Africa, it's time to redefine perceptions and showcase the continent's potential. This is a story of hope and empowerment, a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation, where international cooperation plants seeds of opportunity. These seeds are nurtured by local talent and hard work. The world is watching as we assemble not just devices, but also a brighter future for generations to come. But a new future for our nation. A future filled with possibilities, innovation, and sustainable development. The simple act of building a phone, a seemingly small step, holds immense significance for the nation, is laying a foundation for progress, a solid base upon which to build a thriving tech industry, and inspiring a generation of innovators, entrepreneurs, and leaders ready to shape the future. Burkina Faso's story is being rewritten with each new innovation and partnership. One smartphone at a time. Each device represents a step forward, a symbol of progress and determination. The journey has just begun, but the momentum is building and the possibilities are endless. But the possibilities are limitless. The future of Burkina Faso is bright, filled with potential and promise. This partnership began not by chance, but with a carefully considered shared vision between leaders, a mutual understanding that transcended geographical boundaries. It was a meeting of minds, driven by ambition and a desire for progress. The primary goal was clear: diversify Burkina Faso's economy, moving beyond traditional sectors and embracing new opportunities for growth and stability. This diversification was intrinsically linked to another critical objective: to create jobs for its youth, providing them with meaningful employment and a brighter future. The focus was on empowering the next generation. To achieve these ambitious goals, the government sought a partner, one with not just financial resources, but also with the expertise and investment needed to drive sustainable development. They needed more than just a benefactor. Burkina Faso wasn't looking for just a market for goods, a place to simply import products. They wanted a partner who would help them build their own industries and create lasting economic value. China, through its expansive Belt and Road Initiative, offered a compelling proposition. China saw Africa not just as a consumer market, but as a place to build infrastructure, foster development, and establish long-term partnerships. Chinese tech firms offered more than just factories and production lines. They brought comprehensive training programs designed to equip the local workforce with the skills needed to thrive in a modern economy. Crucially, they also offered technology transfer, sharing valuable knowledge and expertise to help Burkina Faso build its own technological capabilities. And beyond that, they provided supply chain know-how, helping to streamline manufacturing processes and improve efficiency. The 2023 agreement was structured as a direct investment, fostering a sense of shared ownership and mutual benefit. This wasn't designed as a debt trap, but as a genuine partnership aimed at fostering sustainable economic growth. The agreement included incentives from Burkina Faso, designed to attract investment and encourage long-term commitment. And it came with a firm promise of local workforce training from China, ensuring that the benefits of the partnership would be felt throughout the community, It was a strategic alignment, a carefully crafted plan designed to achieve specific goals. Our pressing need for jobs and skills development perfectly met their need for new markets and opportunities for expansion. This was carefully framed as a partnership of equals, emphasizing mutual respect and shared responsibility. The entire initiative was focused on mutual benefit, ensuring that both parties would gain from the collaboration. Of course, skeptics worried about potential dependence and the long-term implications of the partnership. But the promise of creating jobs and fostering a thriving domestic tech industry was simply too great to ignore. The potential benefits outweighed the risks. The decision, a pivotal moment in Burkina Faso's economic history, to turn diplomatic promises into real, tangible progress at home, visible to all. The result, a testament to the power of international cooperation. A new chapter in international cooperation, built on mutual respect and shared goals. With Burkina Faso not just participating, but at the very center of this exciting development. The world is watching with keen interest, eager to see what we build next and how this partnership will shape the future. Step inside the new assembly plant and you'll find a world transformed. Young Burkinabé workers trained by Chinese technicians assemble phones with precision and pride. Components arrive from China, microchips, screens, cameras, ready to be brought to life. Each station on the assembly line has a purpose. Circuit boards, screens, batteries, cameras, all fitted with care. Quality control is rigorous. Machines and human testers ensure every phone meets high standards. Phones that fail are fixed on the spot. Only the best move forward. The final product is boxed with a charger, manual in French and local languages, and earphones. Each box proudly reads, "Assembled in Burkina Faso." From scattered parts, a smartphone is born, connecting our people to the world. This is more than manufacturing, it's a symbol of what we can achieve. The future is being built, one phone at a time. The establishment of this factory has had a profound and multifaceted impact on the community. But what is the factory's biggest impact? Jobs. Over 1,000, mostly for young people, providing them with opportunities they might never have imagined. These aren't just any jobs, they're pathways to a brighter future. For many, it's their first steady paycheck, a symbol of independence and a chance to build a stable life. It's the beginning of financial security. This income is transforming lives and families, providing access to better healthcare, education, and overall improved living conditions. It strengthens the family unit and provides hope for generations to come. But it's not just about income, it's about something far more valuable. It's about learning future-ready skills in electronics, gaining expertise that will be relevant in the global marketplace for years to come, mastering quality control, ensuring products meet the highest standards, and understanding supply chain management, the intricate process of getting products from the factory to the consumer. Intensive training has created a new class of skilled technicians, equipped with the knowledge and abilities to excel in a rapidly evolving industry. They are the backbone of our tech sector, the engine driving innovation and progress. National pride is rising, a sense of accomplishment and belief in our own capabilities. Seeing "Made in Burkina Faso" on a phone, a tangible symbol of our industrial progress, changes how we see ourselves, fostering a sense of self-worth and national identity. We're no longer just consumers. We are active participants in the global economy. We're producers, innovators, and role models, inspiring others to pursue their dreams and contribute to our nation's growth. The excitement is contagious, a wave of optimism sweeping across the country. People want to buy phones made by their own countrymen, supporting local businesses and investing in our collective future. School children now dream of becoming engineers and technicians, inspired by the possibilities they see around them. Their aspirations extend beyond traditional careers like doctors or farmers, embracing the opportunities of the digital age. The factory is a real-world example, a testament to what we can achieve with hard work and determination. It proves that a tech career is possible here, right here at home. It's inspiring students to focus on science and technology, recognizing the importance of these fields in shaping our future. A new pipeline of innovators is forming, fueled by creativity, ambition, and a desire to make a difference. They are ready to drive our country forward, towards a brighter and more prosperous future for all. The seeds of ambition are being planted for decades to come, ensuring a legacy of innovation and progress. This is economic empowerment at its most direct and most hopeful, a catalyst for sustainable growth and development. Burkina Faso's future is in skilled hands, capable and ready to build a better tomorrow. Meet Adama Traoré, once selling phone credit on the street, now a team leader on the assembly line. His steady salary and new skills have transformed his life and his family's future. Bintou Sanogo, a top quality control inspector, defied expectations to pursue a technical career. Her success inspires girls in her village to dream bigger. Ousmane Diallo, a maintenance technician, has lifted his whole family. His wife started a business. His children have better opportunities. These stories are the true measure of success, dignity, ambition, and hope realized. The factory's impact ripples out, changing not just individuals, but entire families. For every Adama, Bintu, and Ousmane, there are hundreds more. Futures are being assembled, piece by piece, just like the phones. The project is more than concrete and steel. It's a place where dreams are built. Opportunity is changing lives in the most fundamental ways. This is the human face of progress. Building Burkina Faso's first phone factory wasn't easy. Power cuts threatened production, so the project invested in backup generators and power systems. Logistics were tough. Every component had to cross borders and rough roads, requiring new supply chain solutions. Language and culture differences slowed early progress, but mutual respect and translators bridged the gap. Training was a challenge. Most workers had no experience in electronics. Trainers started from scratch, teaching everything from handling components to understanding static electricity. The learning curve was steep, but determination paid off. Farmers and traders became skilled technicians, one lesson at a time. Every hurdle overcome made the achievement even more meaningful. Burkina Faso's partnership with China is part of a larger African story. Chinese investment has built railways, roads, and power plants across the continent. Now the focus is shifting from infrastructure to manufacturing and technology. In Ethiopia and Rwanda, Chinese-built factories are creating jobs and transferring skills. Critics warn of debt and labor concerns, but the model is evolving. The Burkina Faso project stands out. It's about making high-tech products, not just extracting resources. Manufacturing smartphones is a leap up the value chain. Africa is joining the digital economy. Each country must ensure these partnerships are truly beneficial and sustainable. Our experience offers lessons. Embrace opportunity, but negotiate wisely. The world is watching as Africa moves from building for others to building for itself. The future is being shaped on factory floors like ours. The phone factory's impact goes far beyond its walls. New businesses, food vendors, taxi drivers, landlords, are thriving around the factory. Local companies supply security, catering, and marketing, creating a multiplier effect. Infrastructure has improved, roads are paved, public services are getting attention. The influx of young workers is changing social dynamics and challenging old norms, especially for women. Success stories like Bintu's inspire others and shift perceptions. The factory is a social catalyst, making the community more dynamic and forward-looking. Economic growth and social change are happening side by side. This is how a single project can transform an entire community. The future for Burkina Faso is brighter and more connected than ever. The phone factory is proof that we can attract high-tech investment and build a skilled workforce. Success here could spark an industrial corridor, multiplying opportunities for generations. The next step, making components locally, deepening our industrial base, and creating even more jobs. This vision requires investment in education and innovation, building not just technology, but creators. The project is a symbol of hope and progress, showing our future isn't defined by past challenges. We have the talent and drive to build a modern, prosperous nation. The ability to connect with the world through our own devices is a powerful statement. The foundation is laid, the lines are running, and national pride is growing. Burkina Faso is dialing into a future of its own making.